Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 4 from your book First Flight. This is from the diary of Annie Frank. Alright, dear students, let me introduce you the lesson. This lesson is an excerpt. Excerpt means taken from her diary of a young girl. Excerpt means a part. It is a part of her diary of her autobiography named Diary of a Young Girl or the Diary of Annie Frank because it is written by Annie Frank. It is an autobiography. Autobiography means when a person writes an account of his or her life on his or her own, that is known as autobiography. That was first published in 1947 and ये कब publish हुई थी 1947 में. In this, Annie expresses her thoughts in a diary which she was gifted which was gifted to her on her 13th birthday. और ये सब वो कहाँ लिखती है? एक डायरी में जो उसको उसकी 13 बर्थडे पे गिफ्ट हुई थी. शी नेम्स द डायरी किटी और उसका नाम क्या रखती है डायरी का? किटी, which she considered as her only true friend. She mentions about her childhood here, her family, and a lot other things that she told no one else. It means in this diary, she mentions her, those things which she did not want to tell anybody else. Okay, now let us begin with the explanation and reading. Writing in a diary is really strange experience for someone like me. Here Annie says that diary में कुछ भी लिखना एक अलग सा strange means a unique experience है उसके लिए. Not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. Musings means thought. एनी कहती है कि क्योंकि उसको लगता है कि एक 13 years old गर्ल की डायरी को कोई भी नहीं पढ़ना चाहेगा. इवन she also won't be able and won't be reading this diary later on. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Again she said that. Oh well, it doesn't matter means it doesn't matter whether anybody reads it or not. कि कोई उसे पढ़े या ना पढ़े. I feel like writing क्योंकि उसे तो सिर्फ लिखना है. And I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. To get all things off someone's chest means to unburden oneself. अपने आप को किसी burden से free करना. So here Annie wants to free herself from her thoughts which are in her mind. वो भी अपने आप को free करना चाहती है उन thoughts से, उनको डायरी में लिख कर. Alright, let's move on to next para. Paper has more patience than people. Now, dear students, please note down this line. This is very important line. Here she says that paper has much more capacity to absorb thoughts than people. मतलब हम अगर पेपर को कुछ चीज़ बताते हैं तो वो उसके पास ही रहती हैं. जैसे अगर लोगों को आपने कोई अपनी बात बताई तो काफ़ी लोगों तक पहुंच जाती है. I thought of this saying no one of those days when I was feeling a little further she says, depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay or go out. Now, dear students, listless means with no energy or interest. Okay, with no energy and interest. You can note down the meaning of this word. Listless means with no energy or interest. Okay. So here she says that people have low patience levels, but a piece of paper being a non-living thing would not refuse from absorbing her thoughts. This realization came to her one day when she was feeling more sad and confused than usual. Okay. And she could not even decide whether to go out or stay at home at that time. Okay. I finally stayed where I was brooding. Now brooding means engaged in or showing deep thought about something that makes one sad, angry, or worried. And in short, we can say engaged in. Brooding means engaged in. Okay. You can note down the meaning. Yes, paper does have more patience. And since I'm not planning to let anyone else read this stiff-backed notebook, grandly referred to as a diary, Unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference. Now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. Now, she says that she could not even decide that day whether to go out or stay at home at that time. When she finally stayed at home, she sat she sat even being depressed and indeed thought, because that day she was sad. Again she thought that paper had more patience, and she decided to write everything that came in her mind. Okay, and here she said that stiff backed notebook, because generally the cover of the notebook is stiff. Okay, and she refers here to her diary. So she just writes and in her mind, because she did not intend of making someone read it unless she found a real friend. She writes here because she had no real friend. She meant a friend with whom she could share all her secrets. The author then comes back to the point where she thought of beginning to write. It is because she is lonely and has no friend to talk, as she says in this line, that now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. मतलब वो क्यों एक डायरी रखना चाहती है? Because I don't have a friend. Because she has no friend to talk to. All right. Now, dear students, let's move on to next paragraph. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. And I am not. I have loving parents, 16-year-old sister, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. I have a family, loving aunts, and a good home. No, on the surface, I seem to have everything except my one true friend. All I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. I can't bring myself talk to about anything but ordinary, everyday things. Okay, now let's see what she says for the here. Who Annie Frank. Okay, she then goes on explaining why she feels the need for a friend. She explains why she needs a friend. She feels that no one is going to believe that a young girl like her is so alone. वो कहती हैं कि कोई भी ये फील नहीं करेगा कि उसके जैसे कोई एक छोटी सी लड़की अकेली हो. Okay, which practically she is not. Actually, she is not alone. She has a loving family. She tells about her family, near about 30 people that can be called friends, loving aunts, and a good place to stay. This depicts a clear picture of a happy family. ये हमें बताती है कि उनकी एक जो फैमिली है वो काफी हैप्पी है. बट द वन थिंग दैट लैक्स इन हर लाइफ इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ ट्रू फ्रेंड. सिर्फ जो उसके जीवन में जिसकी कमी है उसकी लाइफ में, वो क्या है? एक ट्रू फ्रेंड. दैट्स व्हाई शी कॉल्स हर डायरी अ ट्रू friend. Okay, with whom she can share everything. She does have a good time with friends. They talk about stuff, but not real stuff that is actually going on in their lives. Okay, she means to say कि वो अपने फ्रेंड से बात करती है, कुछ बातें होती हैं, लेकिन उन चीज़ों के बारे में बातें नहीं होती हैं जो एक्चुअली उसकी लाइफ में हो रही हैं. Okay, now further she says that despite trying hard, they are unable to get closer. She feels that maybe it is her who is uh, not able to trust anyone with her private stuff, that she is not able to come any close to her friends. She feels that the current situation cannot be changed, and thus she needs to write her feelings in the diary. मीन्स उसको नहीं लगता कि उसका कोई ट्रू फ्रेंड है जिसके पास वो अपनी जो इंटीमेट थिंग्स हैं, प्राइवेट थिंग्स हैं, स्टफ्स हैं, उनके बारे में बात कर सके. कन्फाइंड मीन्स टू टेल पर्सनल थिंग्स प्राइवेटली. कन्फाइंड मीन्स टू टेल personal things privately to someone. Okay, so in any case, that's just how things are, and unfortunately they are not liable to change. और एनी का कहने का मतलब है कि यहाँ पे कुछ करंट सिचुएशन ऐसी हैं जो कभी बदल नहीं सकती, और इसलिए उसको उन चीज़ों के बारे में, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा पर्सनल है, उसे एक डायरी की ज़रूरत है. Liable means likely. Okay, here is the word liable. It means likely. So, dear students, that's all for today. Rest we will discuss in our next class. Till then, thank you.